I, N. Nageshwar Rao, Director Plant of Tikaria Cement Works, welcome you on board. No harm to anyone, anywhere associated with ACC is our OHS vision. To fulfill our vision, we request you to carefully watch and understand the OHS related instructions and information which will guide you to a safe work and visit here. Tikaria Cement Works has done many awards and accolades in the field of safety, and we expect your cooperation in maintaining our commitment towards safety and making Tikaria a safe place to work. In line with our OHS policy of don't walk fast, I empower you with true authorities during your work or visit inside the plant premises. Stop any work which is unsafe. Consult concerned employee when in doubt. Now we will take you through the safety instructions or guidelines of this site. Please pay attention to this important message.
Visitor must follow all requisite safety protocols during the visit. After entering premises, visitors must make a record of the entry and must wear personal protective equipments, PPEs. A company representative will explain all necessary safety provisions. Visitors must follow all road signals. Tikaria Cement Plant is in Amethi district of Uttar Pradesh state in northern India. Nearest airport, Lucknow 130 km. Nearest railway station, Gauriganj 3.5 km. ACC Tikaria is certified for ISO 9001 2008 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 2004 Environment Management System, IS 18001 2007 OH&S Management System, ISO 50001 2011 Energy Management System. Our vision: to be one of the most respected companies in India, recognized for challenging conventions and delivering on our promises. OH&S vision: no harm anywhere to anyone associated with ACC. No harm means no fatalities, no disabling injuries, no lost time injuries, no medical treatment injuries, no first aid injuries, no occupational illness. Anyone means employees, contractors, personnel on site, ready-mix drivers on job, third-party contractors on site, visitors to ACC site. No compromise with cardinal rules. Rule number 1. Do not override or interfere with any safety provision, nor allow anyone else to override, interfere with them. Rule number 2. Personnel protection equipment PPE rules applicable to given task must be adhered to at all times. Rule number 3. Isolation and lockout procedures must be followed. Rule number 4. No person may work if under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Rule number 5. All injuries and incidents must be reported. Use this pathway to go inside plant. Emergency response procedure. Following type of emergencies would require you to stop your work and evacuate to a nearest assembly point in our plant. Fire, collapse of building or structures. Failure of machines, isolation and lockout systems. Emergency will be indicated by a wailing siren which should run for 2 minutes. As soon as an emergency siren is heard, you need to remain calm. Do not panic. Stop your work. Proceed to nearest assembly point. Please inform location of incident, type of emergency, your telephone number, your name and company. Emergency contact numbers through intercom: CMU CCR 100, CPP CCR 300 or 303, main gate 150, safety office 333. Emergency contact number through mobile 05368 244096, extension 150 or 100 or 300. Safety officer 895 300 444. Safety shift officer 7607 100 825. Fire Officer 895 3000 441. Location of assembly points near main gate. In front of DM plant in CPP. In front of engineering office. Know your OH and S responsibilities. Report any injury or illness immediately. Report unsafe acts and unsafe situations or conditions. Participate in risk assessment of the task to be done. Participate in health and safety committees. Know and comply with all regulations. Follow safe work procedures. Use protection and safety equipment as instructed by ACC. Dues for visitors, contractors and employees. Follow cardinal rules. Follow designated pathways while moving in plant premises. Report all incidents, unsafe acts and unsafe situations to company representative. Be responsible for your safety and your neighbor's safety. If in doubt, please ask concerned person, HODs. When you leave the worksite or visiting place, please get gate pass signed by the concerned company officer. After visiting, please return all your PPEs along with the gate pass to security at the main gate. Some don'ts during your visit. No camera without prior approval. Do not enter with your vehicle if not permitted. Do not go inside unescorted without concerned engineer department head. Do not try and enter into prohibited area. Do not carry any job if unsafe situation act found. Work permit system. Do not proceed with work without obtaining valid work permit authorized by company representative. All tasks involving bodily injury or illness needs permit. Following activities cannot be performed in our plant without a valid work permit authorized by company employee. Hot work, working at heights, excavation and digging, confined space and electrical work. ACC Chetna behaviors, eyes on path, eyes on hands, assess the area, body limits, line of fire. Common safe behaviors, housekeeping. It is your responsibility. Maintain work area clean, use waste bins, proper use of restrooms. Obey all safety signs. Use right tool for right job. 3 compulsory personal protective equipment inside the plant. Safety helmet, safety jacket, safety shoes. Vehicle and traffic safety. Stop your vehicle at gate for security check before entering inside plant. You or the driver must have a valid driving license. Follow the road signs and speed limits. Must wear seat belts before switching engine on. You are not allowed to use mobile phones while driving. Instructions for visitors. Stop when you talk. Smoking is prohibited inside the plant premises except designated area. Occupational Health and Safety Management System. The Occupational Health and Safety OH&S Management System of ACC is called as OH&S Pyramid. OH&S Pyramid clearly establishes the minimum level for the outcomes that must be achieved for a site to achieve accepted good practice in OH&S management. OH&S Pyramid consists of 19 blocks or elements of safety management. Fatality prevention elements, vehicle and traffic safety, working at height, isolation and lockout, machine guarding, electrical safety, confined space, lifting and supporting load, hot work.
Hello, after going through the OH&S induction, you must be equipped with information on all the OH&S practices for this site that are required to perform your job. In case you have any doubt in your mind, now or any time during your work, then please clarify the same with concerned contact person before commencing or continuing with your task at time. Remember, ask, safe employees are the best employees. Safety is a lifestyle that will be appreciated by your family. We recommend you not to clock off safety at the end of your shift, but take it home and when traveling to and from work. At Tickeria Cement Works, your safety is our priority. If you wish to conduct your work here and commit to follow our site OH&S rules and guidelines, then welcome. We wish you a safe.